Hi, my name is Vas and welcome again to another video. So today in this short video I want to show you how you can take some hyperlapse videos using your drone. So today I was taking some drone footages using the hyperlapse mode, and I took some videos like these ones and also this one as well. I really hope you like them. And I want to show you how you can take them. It's pretty easy, not rocket science, and yeah, let's move forward. And before we move forward, feel free to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up as well. Any questions, ask in the comments, or if you want to talk to me a bit more in depth, feel free to join my prochannel.com and we can talk more about this video or anything else on that community. You also can request a video, so if you have any video in mind, you can request a video and I will do one for you. So let's move forward and to show you how you can take some hyperlapse videos using your drone. So no matter what drone you're going to use, any of them should have hyperlapse feature, so you can just send the drone in the sky and record some hyperlapse videos. For this, I'm going to use my DJI Mini 3 Pro, which was with me, and it is with me for 3 years, I think, since launch. I'm quite happy with the drone. So let's have a look on the drone. You need the drone itself and also the LC controller. Cool. I'm gonna switch on the drone and then the controller. That's it. And switch on the LC controller as well. Unfold the drone just in case. So I like the drone to feel freely. Right, how you say. Cool. So once you have the drone switched on and the LC controller, just send the drone up in the sky. Once you send the drone up in the sky, you should be ready to click that hyperlapse button. So for this, you'll have to follow some really simple instructions. So let's move to hyperlapse. So basically, you just click them just click on here, on this frame, and you click on video. So you go on video. I really hope you can see. If no, I will have to screen record. So yes, once you have switched on your drone and you will say controller, your drone is up in the sky, you will want to shoot hyperlapse videos. So for this, you're gonna have to go in the menu. So you click on this menu and just go on video. Once it's on video, you'll be able to see the hyperlapse button. So just click on hyperlapse. Once you've clicked on the hyperlapse, make sure you set your settings as well. So if you want to shoot in a row, so basically the drone will gonna take images every 2 seconds, every 3 seconds, depends on you, and you're gonna save in a raw file as well. And once it's end, it'll create a video in 4K. You also can choose in 1080p if you want, but I prefer in 4K. So make sure you have 4K, and you can have the raw saved as well, just if you want to look through your images. Maybe you want to see any good images you want to edit. Cool, so that's done. Cool, so now we go on this menu. So basically it's telling you the length. It's length you can have, in my case, I think I've set to 6 seconds. You can choose up to as many seconds as you want. Just make sure you have enough battery. I would say 10 seconds should do the job. So if you choose 10 seconds, and then you can choose a max speed as well, and it's up to you how fast you want the drone to move forward. And okay, once you've chosen the speed as well, now you can check the interval as well. And here you can choose basically, if you choose 4 seconds, means every 4 seconds the drone will take a picture for your video. So I'll tend to keep to 3 seconds. It's alright. It's alright. Cool. So that's all done. Now, if you want to make it free, basically what it means when you choose a hyperlapse free means the drone will gonna stay still and record footages. It's even showing you on this tutorial on the screen. If you choose circle, means the drone will gonna rotate around the subject and you'll record hyperlapse video based on the subject. Now, if you choose course look, means the drone will gonna fly forward and will record hyperlapse videos. It's quite cool because I've recorded a couple of videos using this mode. Now, if you want waypoint, it's basically you will need to set the waypoints. So I haven't tried this feature yet. It's in my mind, but basically you set a waypoints on a location. So you record the video during the day and then you go back during the night and you record another video. Basically, it's quite a nice transition if you want to do like pretty cool hyperlapse video. And that's pretty much what I want to show you. I really hope you kind of learned anything from this video. Again, any questions, ask in the comments. If you want to talk about this, feel free to join my prochannel.com and we can talk more about this on my community. It's totally free to join and doesn't cost anything, and we can talk there about anything you like, everything about tech. And also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up as well. If you have quick questions, ask in the comments. If you have more questions, ask on my community, because it's built to keep conversation with my subscribers. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this short video, and I'm gonna see you in the next video, which is next week. And again, thanks a lot and have a nice one.